A Samsung Galaxy A55 may occasionally encounter issues with receiving text messages. This could be due to problems with the messaging app, such as outdated versions or data corruption. If you're experiencing this issue, here's what you can do. Firstly, verify if it's a network or reception issue. Look at the network bars on the top right corner of your screen. If there are few or no network bars, try moving to a location with a stronger signal. If your phone has good reception, but the issue persists, proceed to the next step. Next, try enabling airplane mode for a few seconds. This will temporarily disconnect your phone from the network. Swipe down from the top of the screen and tap the airplane icon. Wait a few seconds, then tap it again to turn it off. After this, check if you can now receive text messages. If not, it's time to reboot your phone. Rebooting your phone can clear any temporary software glitches that might be hindering you from receiving text messages. To do this, press and hold the power and volume down buttons for a couple of seconds. When the options appear, tap on the restart option and confirm it. Once your phone has restarted, check if the problem has been resolved. If not, you should clear the cache and data of your messaging app. Clearing the cache and data of your messaging app can resolve minor app-related issues. Tap and hold the messages icon, and when the options appear, tap the app info icon. On the next screen, tap storage, then tap clear cache and follow it up with clear data. This will reset the app. After this, open the app and all your messages will repopulate. If the issue still persists, you may need to contact your carrier, as it could be an account or network related issue. We hope this guide can help you. Thanks for watching.